Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today, let me show you the other useful things sa inyong PLDT Prepaid WiFi. So ito ang guest settings and block setting features. So let's go. So first, let's turn on our PLDT Prepaid WiFi. Then open the browser and type 192.168.1.1. Then enter our credentials. If ever you don't know your password dito guys, try nyo muna itong default na ito, which is the PLDT Home. Pero pag hindi yan gumana and nakalimutan nyo talaga yung password, you can follow the steps in this video. So meron tayong link niyan. You can watch this first and then you go back on this video. Yan. So meron tayong link sa description box or up here. Now, if you're here in this page, just go to Settings tab. Then to Guest Settings. This is super easy. Just click Add and then put the Wi-Fi name or SSID. For example guys, gagamitin niyo ito for business. So gusto niyo magpa-free wifi sa inyong business or sa inyong coffee shop, cafeteria or what. Or maybe sa bahay niyo lang, gusto niyo may ibang SSID or wifi name for your guest and the like. So ayan, para may separate kayong SSIDs. Advantage din kasi nito guys for network security. Or if ginagamit niyo itong prepaid wifi as your access point, and then very simple login lang kasi ito guys for your guests or for your customers. You can choose na wala siyang password or may password din. So once you're done, just click this. This is just a very simple guest settings. Some routers like phone owner routers or other Wi-Fi routers, they have a very detailed guest settings. Plus points na rin siguro to sa mga prepaid Wi-Fis. Block settings. So how to block a Wi-Fi user on your PLDT prepaid Wi-Fi. Now you can block anyone guys as long as nakakonect sila sa inyong PLDT prepaid Wi-Fi. Unlike sa ibang router na kahit hindi sila nakakonect sa inyong router, basta alam nyo ang kanilang mga MAC address ng kanilang device, mabablock mo sila. But here on this PLDT prepaid Wi-Fi, kailangan mo silang ipakonect sa inyong PLDT prepaid Wi-Fi modem. Alright, so let's try this MAC address, which is yung phone na hawak ko din. But right now, I'm using my laptop, which is ito yung nakikita nyong desktop. But again, you can do this guys kahit browser lang ng phone ninyo. Okay, so now let's try. Ayan, so nawala agad yung Wi-Fi and for example, ayan, so nagkabati kayo ganyan or nagbayad na siya ng share niya sa load. So gusto mo na siyang i-unblock. It's very easy as well. Just click unblock. Ayan. Okay, so ganyan lang siya kadali. Okay, so additional information pala guys before we end this video. Meron tayong settings dito, lalo na sa mga mami dyan or sa mga daddy, ate, kuya, ganyan. Naglilimit ng time sa kanilang mga kapatid or sa kanilang mga anak, ganyan. Sa hindi nakakalam, ang tawag dito is parental control. Now, enable lang natin yan. And then dito sa time rule table, dito tayo magsiset ng time kung kailan lang sila makakagamit ng Wi-Fi. Isa pang maganda dito guys ay napipili mo kung ano yung araw na pwede lang sila mag-access sa Wi-Fi. Like yan. So example natin yan. So Mondays to Friday lang siya. And then for weekends, yan. So kahit magbabad sila, okay lang. Alright. So ganyan lang siya kadali guys. So that's it for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching until this part of the video. Sana nakatulong itong video na ito and please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share if you need to, and see you on my next video guys. Subscribe for more related videos. Bye!
It's not what I'm used to.